All right, what's up, guys? It's Carter here. So I'm gonna break down this chart for y'all real quick. I'm gonna tell y'all a couple things. First of all, I think I have found a copy trade platform. It'll be um, it'll be available to my VIP group, and we should know more about that in the next couple of days. Hopefully, everything turns out. I don't want to get too happy too quickly. But anyways, all right. So if y'all liked the video, please, thank you. Engagement matters so much to small accounts. So thank you. Anyways, here we are on the daily. Um, so, things are starting to look heavy. We've basically filled in all these wicks, from the weeks before. Still, wicking into resistance here. Um, where's my weekly? Let's go to the weekly. Not many people talk about the 200 EMA here, and as you can see, that's why I like to look at it. It's the only EMA, yeah, only moving average EMA. It's the only one I use. I don't really like to get involved with too many indicators. But anyways, we're looking at the daily here. I ain't even got my lines up yet. We'll just go over what looks like should happen, right? All right, it looks like a good bear channel. Like I said, we filled in all these wicks, right? We filled in most of these wicks, and here we are at the very top of it all. So a nice little bear. That's what it looks like to me. It's just a little bearish channel, starting to get kind of heavy. You know, uh, Started losing a little bit of volume over the weekend, of course. Not much you can say there. There's a lot more selling volume. If you can tell, there's a lot more selling volume than anything. So, that's one thing to always notice. So, what do I think this structure, what does it look like it should do? At least fill in some wicks down to this area. I think we could range, from that area. It's a really good spot. Did I delete my drawings? Yeah. It's a really good spot for us to start ranging in this area, you see. It's a nice little area over here. Get some wicks down to it. This could be nice little ranging spot until we do go find 19K. And I think, we do go find and take out all these lows. You know, um, Bitcoin, if it was bullish and, good to go at 20K, we wouldn't be here no more. It's, the world, it stops us from that, obviously. But, they're not going to leave this area for you, just to get in. If this is the lows, that's what we've talked about that a million times. If this is the lows, they're not going to just leave it around for, fucking 2 months for you to jump on in, grab your generational bottom. The market makers are a little more smart than that, a little tricky. So you can pull up the 3 hour. I'm going to get on the 3 hour right now. We got some 200 EMA touches here. We touched it on the 5th of August. We touched it, on the 10th of August. And, it looks, like I said, things look heavy, and we should come to take all of these wicks out, especially, it just makes a lot of sense with the market structure, right? You don't got to look at things too long to be like, we should, it's a great level there. You can look at it on the 45. My favorite time frame basically is the 45, and it's a beautiful level, right? Got nice, and if we would have maybe reclaimed here, we could have talked about another push, but I don't see the push just yet. Market open for stocks tomorrow will be a better view of things, but for the meantime, I think we need to lose this, like we do, and we need to come down here and visit, what I'm thinking could possibly be the bottom of the range for August. Obviously, for dropping lower. The Fed. I mean, SPX. What went up? How much did it go up? It's up. Went from 36 to, yeah, it's up like what, 30% off the lows or so, something like that. I don't think the Fed's going to pivot on the rate hikes when the SPX is rallying like that. We probably see another tough one. You know, um, it's more likely that they would pivot at SPX being like $3,000 instead of it being where it is now. That's what we're looking at, guys. It's getting close to the day to close today on a Sunday, so you should expect some fuckery, and if you're going to enter a trade right now, you should expect for that trade to get fucked with. But yeah, this is what I'm seeing. For the most part, is looks like we need to go visit this range down here. It's what it looks like to me on the market structure. Things will be more clear tomorrow. I don't see the push up. I don't see the push up yet. It can come, obviously, but not yet in my view. Um, Anyways, guys, I appreciate y'all watching, man. Y'all have a good day.